Welcome to a day in the life of one of the ocean's most fascinating creatures, the walrus. Meet Wally, our star of the show. Wally starts his day with a hearty breakfast of clams and mussels, his favorite delicacies. With his impressive tusks, Wally effortlessly cracks open the shells to reach the tasty treats inside. After his meal, it's time for a refreshing swim. Despite their hefty size, walruses are excellent swimmers, capable of diving to great depths in search of food. Socializing is an important part of a walrus's day. Wally joins his friends on an iceberg, where they engage in playful banter and vocalizations, communicating with each other in their own unique way. As the day comes to a close, it's time for a well-deserved nap. Walruses can often be found resting on ice floes, enjoying the serenity of the Arctic landscape. And so ends another day in the life of Wally the walrus, a truly magnificent creature of the sea. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife content. Until next time, stay curious.